YouTube, this is Chop. Welcome to my channel. These are 5 awesome things that I love about the Road Glide.
So the first thing I love about my Road Glide is the outer fairing.
The outer fairing on the Road Glide is indistinguishable. You know it when it's coming at you. I just love how it looks. That shark nose fairing. It's beautiful. You can't miss it. Mine is a little dirty right now. But I love the headlights. I just love the shape of it. It just looks sleek. And of course it's mounted to the frame of the bike. So when you turn the handlebars, the fairing stays put, which is nice. You don't feel a lot of wind on your body. It's just awesome. That shark nose fairing, awesome.
Second thing that is awesome about this Road Glide is all the storage.
So on the inner fairing, get storage compartments here and here. You can keep all kinds of stuff. Of course, nowadays I keep my mask in this one, right? In case I stop somewhere, you gotta wear a mask. And you probably can't see it because of the shadow. But inside that one, there is a charger. So you can put your phone in there or a device and charge it up while you ride. Of course, it comes with the hard saddlebags. Keep whatever kind of storage you need. There's just plenty of storage. I mean, just tons. So with the compartments up front, and of course if you get the lowers like I have, you get even more storage. And then the storage in the saddlebags. So needless to say, you have more than enough storage with these Road Glides.
Of course, another awesome thing about the Road Glide is the technology. It's the infotainment suite.
Of course, the infotainment system. I think it's called a boombox audio. Comes with the navigation, which I wasn't sure when I got this bike if I was really going to make use of all this technology on the bike. You know, we all have cell phones, you can find your way, but I gotta tell you, this GPS navigation has saved me several times so far. Once when I was riding low on fuel and didn't even realize it. It told me I was low on gas, and it asked me if I wanted it to find the closest gas station. So of course I hit yes, and it took me right to the closest gas station. So I will say it is nice having that. It's one of those things where I don't use it all the time, but when you do need it or you want to use it, it's great to have.
Another thing I love about the Road Glide that makes it awesome is the size of the tank. These touring models, the big tank.
Having a 6-gallon tank, of course, is awesome. I had a smaller bike before, and I think I only had a 4-gallon tank. And whenever I rode in a group, I was usually the first one that had to stop. 6 gallons. You don't have to fill it very often.
The fifth thing I love about the Road Glide is options. You got options.
You can make this bike look however you want it to look. You can create like a streamlined look if you don't want the big tour pack on the back, or if you don't want the lowers, you can even pull off the engine guard and give it that streamlined look, that nice clean look. Or if you want the extra storage, you can get the tour pack. Of course I don't have it, I'm thinking about getting one, but you can put a tour pack on there, the lowers with all the bags. You can have all the extra storage you want if you want to take a long trip, or like I said, pull the lowers off, go without the tour pack or the backrest, and create a nice sleek streamlined look, almost a little bit more sportier look. So whatever you want to do with these Road Glides, you have options, lots of options. You can make the bike look however you want it to look.
And the 6th best thing about the Road Glide, yep, you're gonna get a bonus one. It's not a street glide.
It's not a street glide. Of course, it's not a street glide.
So there you have it, YouTube. Those are 5 things that I really like about the Road Glide. Of course, I like just about everything about the bike. I don't hate street glides, y'all. That was just a joke. I like all motorcycles, to be honest with you. I've said it before, if you're on two wheels, you're okay with me. Street Glide, those bikes are just fine. So YouTube, I hope you liked the video. I appreciate you visiting my channel. This is Chop. I hope you enjoy your day. Ride safe, and we will catch you on the flip flop.